Specific performance is a remedy for contracts in equity based on fairness. Remedy at law is when we're dealing with money judgments, but when we seek an order from the court to do or not do something, that is what we call an injunction, which is a form of equitable relief, which means it's based in fairness. So when something's based in fairness, there are elements that must be satisfied in order for the court to come to their conclusion. And for the most part, the main element is irreparable harm and that the services are unique. And the non-breaching party cannot obtain these services from anywhere else, that they're very unique to this individual. And it was the essence of the deal. And if the deal does not go forward, then the non-breaching party will suffer irreparable harm that money cannot satisfy him. That's why it's necessary that, based on fairness in our justice system, in our society, that we order the breaching party to perform their obligations. It's a high burden because we're infringing on an individual's liberty, freedom. It's a big infringement by the court when they tell someone to do something. We're infringing a lot on an individual's liberty. So it's a balancing act.